What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Dominique, and Merry Christmas to y'all. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas to y'all families, and Merry Christmas from my family. Yeah, so I'm gonna open some gifts, and yeah, I'm gonna set y'all up. Okay, that's good. Y'all can see me? Okay. So I got 2 bags. So this is like the first bag. So I'm gonna open. Okay, I got me a sweater. Y'all see the back of it? Champion. I got a champion. I got a champion sweater. And ooh, I got me the Mace Pro headphones. Wow, look. And I got these for early. I got these also. I got a lot of headphones. Ooh, I got me some. Got me some pants. Legend 1. This says love. Black and pink. Jogging pants or something. Yeah. And I got me some jeans. I got me a shirt. It says blessed. It says blessed. And I got me a sweater, babe. Babe, clock it. Clock it. And I got me some pants. I got me some jogging pants that goes with the sweater. Oh, I got me some lip oils. Got different colors. And I got me a cup. It's kind of like it's like a cup when you drink out of like coffee, water, pop, all of that. Let me open this second. This the final bag, y'all. Oh, I got me a Cleveland Browns blanket. Me and my dad. My dad got a blanket, but that was for his birthday. But I got me a Cleveland Browns blanket, even though they suck. So I still love my Browns, even though they suck. And I got me a men's sleepwear set, long sleeve crew. I'm wearing this. I'm wearing this for Christmas today. I'm wearing this today. When I got me Cleveland Browns cups, and it's 4-pack. It's 4-pack. It's 4-pack. I got Axe, Musk, Canela, and Amber. 48 hours. See, I got two. I got two of these. That's it. Okay, y'all. I just wanted to show y'all my gifts because I deserve a lot of gifts. I deserve everything. So yeah. I just showed y'all my Christmas gifts. So if y'all enjoyed this video, make sure y'all give a like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on that bell so when y'all get notified when I post a new video. I haven't dropped since 8 months, but I have dropped shorts for y'all, like of me, you know, my family and stuff. So this is my Christmas, and you know, New Year's is coming up. So next year is my year because I'm gonna graduate, birthday, prom, graduation, all of that stuff. So 2026 is my year. So I'm gonna be outside doing stuff. But anyways, y'all, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell when y'all be notified every time I drop a new banger for y'all. Alright, see y'all later. Merry Christmas, everyone. Love y'all so much. Merry Christmas.